got to think of a way to get that promotion. You're with me, right?
Yeah, here.
What the fuck does that mean? We gotta think, man. This is time to be serious. Why are you laughing?
He's fucking... Okay.
Alright, listen. We're gonna trick them. We're gonna trick Avalanche.
How?
Their leader, Mr. Barrett. He thinks he's so cool. Fucking dumbass, gun for an arm, fucking beautiful biceps. Yeah, I mean, their leader's buff and all, but, you know, just because he's strong and makes me fucking horny when I look at him, I'm not afraid of them.
No, but your dick is.
Fucking hate you.
I'm sorry, not your dick, your wife's pussy.
Listen, we're getting off topic here. I've got a plan to trick Avalanche so we can get the promotion. We trick Barrett, that big dumb fuck. You just gotta go up to him and his hulking machine gun arm frame and just appeal to the man's senses.
Okay, but I'm only like level 7.
No. That doesn't matter. Listen, you say you love Avalanche. You say you love the planet and its titties and all the life milk inside.
Okay.
Yeah, you're getting it. You're following me.
It's going out one ear and in the other.
Listen, let's practice, all right?
Okay.
I'm Barrett. You're gonna try and trick dumb old stupid me
Okay.
into joining Avalanche so we can get him from the inside.
Okay, shoot.
You there look like a Shinra operative.
No, I'm not a Shinra operative. You look like you love the planet.
I do. How'd you know?
Because I love the planet.
Whoa! Would you like to join Avalanche?
Yeah.
We did it! You're in, man! All you gotta do is do that when they show up, and we'll be good.
Sounds good. Hey!
You look like a Shinra operative.
Well, hi to you too.
Do you... what do you want? What do you want?
I would like to join Avalanche.
Oh, well. What do you think about the planet? What are your feelings about the planet, boy?
I think it sucks. I mean, it rocks. I love Earth. Smog. I mean, not smog. I love smoke from a nice campfire with my friends.
All right. B+ so far. Do you think the Shinra reactors are good or bad? Answer me!
The question?
Do you
use it in a sentence?
Dude, you're fucking it all up. That's not what we practice at all.
All right, pop quiz. Is Shinra good or bad?
Is Shinra good or not bad?
You know what? You got me. I'm stumped. Oh man, I'm confused.
Dude, I can't even fucking do this anymore. I just want to be a part of Avalanche.
Fuck it. You're
What's your deal?
You're exhausted.
No, wait. I love Earth. I love the trees, the moon, the spirits, I love the grass. I really love trees. I really hate pollution. I am an avid supporter of Captain Planet and his endeavors. I'd like to consider myself a little bit of the heart. Go heart, Captain Planet. So please let me be a part of the Captain Planet team. Please let me be a part of Avalanche and defend the wealth, justice, and pollution and energy sucking.
You know what? I like you. You're in. You're kind of handsome too. I like your scruff.
Thanks, my mom cuts my hair.